Hey there, welcome to the most confusing Wi-Fi password guide ever. If you're here, it means you're ready for a wild ride through the most convoluted steps imaginable. If you're tired of straightforward tutorials, you're in the right place. We're going to take a trip down memory lane with some vintage tech and a lot of laughs. Today I'm going to show you how to find your Wi-Fi password, and trust me, you're going to love how intentionally confusing this is. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. All right, first things first, let's start by checking the most obvious place. Under your sofa cushions. You never know what treasures you might find there. Yep, that's right, go ahead, dig around in there. Maybe you'll find some spare change or an old TV remote, but definitely not your Wi-Fi password. But hey, it's worth a shot, right? Now, if that didn't work, let's try checking your refrigerator. Because who doesn't keep important information next to their milk and eggs? Open it up and see if there's a sticky note on the milk carton. No, still no password? Who would have thought? Maybe check behind the ketchup bottle while you're at it. Okay, time to get serious. Head over to your computer and open up your internet browser. This is where the real fun begins. Now I want you to type Find Wi-Fi Password into the search bar and hit Enter. Don't worry, this is all part of the plan. Did you get a bunch of results? Great. Click on the first link, then immediately close it. Yes, you heard me right. Close it. Perfect. We're definitely on the right track. Now, let's move on to the next step. Now, let's try something a bit more advanced. Grab your router and spin it around 3 times while chanting Wi-Fi password. Reveal yourself. It might sound silly, but hey, you never know. Yeah. Did it work? No? Well, at least you got some exercise. Let's move on to something a bit more practical. All right, let's get back to the computer. Open up your control panel and navigate to the Network and Sharing Center. This is where the magic happens. Don't worry if you can't find it. Just keep clicking around randomly until something happens. Sometimes the best discoveries are made by accident. Once you're there, click on your Wi-Fi network name, then click Wireless Properties. We're getting closer. In the new window, click on the Security tab. Almost there, just one more step. Now check the box that says Show Characters. And prepare to be amazed. And there it is, your Wi-Fi password. You did it. See, that wasn't so bad, was it? Now you can finally connect all your devices without any hassle. If you enjoyed this painfully bad tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more confusing tech guides. We promise to keep things just as entertaining and bewildering. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Wi-Fi adventures. Until next time, stay tech savvy.